รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการสำหรับเด็กผลิตขึ้นเพื่อผู้ชมในวัย 6-12 ปีอาจมีภาพเสียงหรือดนตรีประกอบซึ่งใช้เฉพาะในการเรียนการสอนเท่านั้น
Hello everyone, it's me teacher Asad and I'm back with my 8th video lecture of computer science with P1. Alright, so we're gonna start unit number 3. Alright, the last unit we studied about unit 2, which was about programming that we studied already. Okay, so in that one we also had a live session. We discuss about the unit test and then we review all the unit. All right, so today we're going to start unit number 3, the first topic of unit 3. Okay, let's check it out what we have. Alright, okay, so we have basic computer programming. Alright, so we have a basic computer programming. Like what we're gonna do is in this unit we're gonna learn how to make program. Alright, let's see how you can do it. So the first topic we're gonna start with, okay, so as you can see in the picture, how to do a program, the key to walk through the home. So sometime we have some robot that we have to program to get some work from this robot. So we have to give them instruction, write code in a language. All right, so the computer or robot can understand what to do. All right, let's see how we can write that program in a computer. So the Ken has to go to school. So this is a school. All right, and this is a fire. Okay, and here is rain, and here is traffic is upload. All right, so Gen has to find the right way to get to this home. So if Gen has to go up, this is wrong. Okay, and if Gen has to go this way, okay, this way, as you can see here, it's the right. Okay, if Gen goes this way, this is wrong. Okay, and this way is wrong. All right, cannot go this way, cannot go this way as well. Okay, so again has to go this way, and then from here this way. All right, and then from here this way. Okay, so this is how the Gen has to reach to the school by saving himself from the fire, rain and traffic. Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to make a program and how to write a program. Okay, so when you have to write the program, you have to be careful about, you have to follow the 4 steps. All right, so whenever you write a program, you have to follow these 4 steps when writing a program, which is can be a coding, anything else. Okay, so the 4 steps we have here is number 1, this. Okay, this is understand. Number 1, understand the problem. What is the problem? We have to understand. Okay, and then we have to follow the problem, and then we have to find the way to solve the problem. Okay, and this is number 2. Okay, number 2 is about find the way, plan a way to solve the problem. Okay, how we can solve the problem? By chopping it up, by finding the solution. We have to think about. All right, so how we can do it? So this is number 2. Number 3 is you have, when you find out how to solve the program, then you have to write the program. Okay, then you have to write the program. And then number 4 we have test. Okay, when you click run, when you run the program, then you have to check if there is an error in a program. Okay, if there is something wrong in a program, that you have to make sure and you have to fix it. All right, so there are 4 steps. Number 1, understand. Number 2, plan the way to program. Okay, number 3, write the program. Number 4, test and check. Okay, so after then you will be having an activity that you will be doing, which is about that how you can make your program, and you have to follow the 4 steps. All right, so as you can see, this is his name is Tim. Okay, his name is Tim. Okay, that's his name. Tim tries to understand the problems of his computer project. So what is the step he has to follow? Which follow? Okay, understand the problem. Okay, he has to understand the problem. So this is going to be a solution. Okay, he had to understand what is the problem. Okay, then he has to solve the problem. All right, so the second one we have here is, okay, Naira plans to build a robot by drawing a diagram to show the steps. Okay, play a way to solve the problem. Okay, so these are the blocks diagram. Her name is Naira. Okay, she wants to build a robot by drawing a diagram to show the steps. So this is the diagram as you can see here. Okay, and to solve the steps, plan a way. This is the planning that you are planning to solve the steps. All right, so this is how you do. All right, as you can see here on the top. Okay, number one, understand. This is here, plan a way to solve the problem, that is here. Okay, number 3 we have is what he's doing. Number three is writing. Okay, writing. Number 3 is writing a program. What she's doing, Paul write a computer program to check the product quality. Okay, so Paul is writing a program. He's writing a program. Okay, so the second activity we gonna have is study the situation, write down what to do in each step of programming. You have to study and understand what you're gonna do in each step of programming. All right, if Gin wants to go to program a robot to move forward, what are the steps? Okay, number 1, I remember, understand. Number 2, plan and find the solution. Okay, and number 3, write the program. Number 4 is test and check the result. All right, so number 1 is understand the problem. Ging should make a robot move forward because he has to understand that what the robot has to do. Okay, so the second one, he has to plan a way to solve the problem. What is the plan he has to do? He has to plan the steps by drawing a diagram. Like he has to draw the steps of making a program. All right, and number 3 we have here. Number 3 is Ging should write a program to make the robot move forward. So he has to write a program or type it on a computer. Okay, so he can make the robot to move forward. Okay, and then number 4 we have here is number 4, test and check if the robot can move forward. So when you're gonna run the program, then you are gonna see that the program is working well or not. All right, so this is how you're gonna do your homework. All right students, so today's lecture was just pretty short because we had nothing much but just a news topic that just we have to follow the steps of making program. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. There are 4 steps. All right, the 4th step, number 1, understand the problem. Number 2, find the solution, find the problem, how to make it program. Okay, number 3, we have to write the program. Number 4, what you have to do, check the result. Okay, so these are the 4 things you have to understand in this topic. This is what we study today. All right, okay, I hope you understand first today's topic, and the homework was not that long, just activity number 3.1 and 3.2. This is your homework. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.